Hey there, everybody. I started another build. I'm going to do a review on it. It's this one right here. Star Wars Poe Dameron's X-Wing fighter. That one there. I built that and do a review on it. So if you're interested in that, it's coming up after this. All right, I built this, I believe, last night or yesterday. I had so many videos I had to do. I had to do each one in order to make sure it put them in sequential order, I guess you'd say. Anyway, I have this here. It's the, like I said, the Starfighter. For some reason, they have this step ladder. I don't see any reason for it, especially if you're going to hang it. But I can see for playability, it comes with 3 minifigs. Comes with these 2 here, along with I believe it's Dom himself inside. Got him inside here. So I'm going to pull them out. Printing on the front. All of them have printing on the front. So that's pretty cool. This one is a little bit different from the original Luke Skywalker, the one I did on a previous video. One, it's a little bit, quite a bit bigger actually. And a lot of things you do notice, of course, there's the color, obviously. The engines are bigger on the front here. The landing gear is pretty close to the same. So you would think it'd be built the same, but it's not. There are very, very few little things here and there that if you built the other one, you'd recognize in this one. Like the windshield is exactly the same. I believe there's a few things inside. The mechanism to open it up is different though. It's got a flip switch on it. So, and then when you sit it down, it automatically closes for you. Or it's supposed to anyways. Either that or you just push the button on the bottom and it closes. So, it had 2 rubber bands on each side. There's a rubber band here and one here, but there was also supposed to be some right here on these 2 hooks. But it just seemed too tight. It tried to close it, and it wouldn't lock. It would just stay like that. I'd let go and close and just keep doing that. So I went and just did the 2 by themselves. But it does open up the same way. And it's in orange, white, and some light gray and dark gray, and also some blue. A lot of bright colors in this one. I don't know what made them think, to change the colors a bit. Because it's a different series. It's from the last 3, I believe. Episode 9, or 7, 8, and 9. And this one has R2-D2 also, so you actually get 4 minifigs. So this is the one that had R2-D2. That was okay. I was going to use this one, but then I was able to fix that one. I believe that's the only thing that opens is the front canopy here. And of course there's a switch. You can see the bottom here. It's got the little, it ends up being loose if you hold it upside down, but if you like that, when it's locked, it'll close them up. Got some landing gear, which they did do that different. This one here is very similar to the original. The missiles. The lasers are made completely different than the other one. Everything is different, except for this part right here is exactly the same as the Luke Skywalker one. It's built the same way. The nose is a little bit longer in the front here. It's got these 2 little circular, I don't know what they're called. I think they're just to hold it together. But if I open it up here, open the wings up, you can kind of see the mechanism inside. In there, you can see the little cross technique right there that kind of moves sideways as you turn it. It kind of locks in there. So, but if you're familiar with the other one, you're being pretty familiar with this one. It's got a gear on the back for the engine, or whatever that is for the detail on the back. So I thought it was going to actually have some something moving. So I thought the gear was there for, but evidently there isn't. It had nothing to do with it. It's just a loose gear. So you got the interior. I don't know if you can see that. There's a couple of printed elements in there. And this does come with a couple stickers, though I lost the sticker sheet. I think there's a couple of stickers that goes on top of the engines here somewhere. I lost those, so I wasn't able to apply those. You got shooters, laser shooters here on the wings, and also here in the front. I don't use those because they're just too small. And it's pretty easy to put together. It's pretty fun. It's just as fun as any other Star Wars build. So if you like any of the other ones, you're like this one. This one seems a little bit more sturdier than the original Luke Skywalker one also. Let's see what it closes this time. There it goes. Yeah, see how it closes for you when you set it down. But it seems like it's about 15 inches long, whereas Luke Skywalker is only about a foot long. Maybe 13 inches. It is noticeably bigger than that one was. In fact, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and pause this. I'll go ahead and grab the other one, and I'll do a little comparison to kind of show you how each one sizes up against the other one. I'll be right back. Alright, so yeah, I brought the original one. Here's the original one here. I have that in a previous video. But just by looking at it straight out, you can see how much smaller that one is. It's very noticeable. The wingspan is a lot smaller. Sitting on top. Now the engines are pretty much spread apart the same way. Same amount of distance. And as you can see, like I said, the canopy is exactly the same one. They use the same one, but the engines are completely different. On the back ones and the front. And the nose, like I said, this one's a lot smaller than that one, different color. But yeah, that's a comparison between the two. And I like both of them, but I like the orange one better maybe, because it's much brighter. I don't know if that's why. It just seems more, I guess, they just shot me. Ugh. No, I looked Skywalker and shot me. I guess it was hitting the switch when I sat it down. So anyway, that's my review, and I hope you like it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment. Let me know of anything I may have missed, and I can add that in another video later on, maybe, or something like that. And so, yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Please subscribe and hit that bell to be notified of videos I post. Thanks for watching.